just look at it from the inside. It's kind of like a masterpiece. It looks beautiful. You try to paint this right now. I bet you couldn't. Alright, let's do a review of Wolfnights in New York City. I got their Dire Wolf wrap. It's like chicken and bacon on it. Let's see it, let's taste it, and let's try it. Look at this burrito, perfectly toasted. Ready? You got lettuce, onions, chicken, bacon, tomato, mayo maybe? I don't know yet. One thing I can tell about this burrito is that it's heavy. Just a bunch of crispy chicken stuffed into burrito with lettuce, tomato. I want to say like salad dressing. I don't know. Cheese, definitely cheese. Someone on TikTok can definitely paint this, but for me, this is delicious. Like, is it the best burrito I've ever had? No, but like, is it good? And I'm like enjoying it right now? Hell yeah. It goes well together. I'm telling you, they stuffed this. Like, this was like, what's about like 2 pounds. It had to weigh about like 2 pounds. Because it was like hurting my hand holding it. It's in the East Village. Wolfnights in the East Village, I think. Checking them out. Very good. They're open late till like 3 a.m. Oh yeah.